How to remove repost on TikTok. So the very first step is to open your TikTok app, and then there are actually two ways in removing your repost. The first one is by looking for the video, and then the second one is by going to your profile right here. So let's repost this one first. Simply click on the share button and click on repost. Let's say, for example, that you have found this specific video that you have reposted. You just simply go back to this share button once again and click on remove repost right here. So the second option now is that you should go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then you should click on this repost icon right here. Once you have done that, you may click on the video, click again on the share button, and then click on remove repost right here. So that's it. That's how you can remove repost on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.